can't sustain her speed. But she can hear something hiding in the grass. At last, a big male deer that'll feed her for a week. She'll take her meal back to the den to eat in peace. She's ravenous. It's hard to eat enough when the cubs are demanding so much milk. When her little ones start on solids, life will get easier. Amba's having a break from the cubs. Uh-oh. Hiccups. There is no peace for a working mom. The cubs will learn you can't catch a tiger by its tail. No peace, but at least she can now eat and keep her milk flowing. Shankar. He's been drawn to Amba's den by unusual smells. Food or cubs? He's not sure which, but they're the same to him. Amba knows this could be dangerous.